Hi and welcome to another video. It's amazing to see you today. If this is your first time here, my name's TJ from TJtutorials and I cover everything from anti-aging skincare devices, genuine product reviews and the science behind how it all works. If that sounds like something you're interested in, start right now by hitting that subscribe button, ringing that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So guys, today I'm doing one of my most requested devices, which is the Mini Hifu. Now I've already done one treatment with this when I was doing my training, and now I know how to use it properly. I am going to be showing you how I treat my skin, and of course to help you see whether these things really work or not, I'm going to be treating just one side of my face. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to be treating my neck, under the jawline, and giving myself a brow lift. The instruction manual that comes with this is just completely useless. You need to start with clean skin, which I've already got. You'll apply a conductive gel to the tip of the wand or directly to your skin. It's entirely up to you, just personal preference with that one. And there are two ways to use this. You have static placement where you hold it in place and then move zone by zone, and then you have the moving motion where you move it upwards very slowly as you go. If you have a pacemaker or any other similar electronic devices, you really shouldn't be using this. Also, if you're pregnant and lactating, which I'm not, if you've been taking oral isotretinoin, if you have Botox or fillers, or if you have severe cardiovascular disease, diabetes and hypothyroidism, you should consult a professional before going ahead with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go off, I'm going to map out my face and my neck where I'm going to be treating, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have mapped out my face and my neck. I'm not going to be treating directly on the under eye area, nor am I going to be going over the thyroid gland or down the center of the neck where the voice box is. So I have my device right here. I'll be talking about which intensities I'm using on each area as I go. So just to give you the info about this device before we get started, it has a power of 5 joules per centimeter square and covers an area of 4 centimeters squared per shot, which is roughly an inch. The frequency is 3 megahertz and it has a penetration depth of 4.5 millimeters on level 3, 3 millimeters on level 2, and 1.5 millimeters on level 1. Now there are some real horror stories out there about people's faces being destroyed by a Hifu, and this has normally been because the technician hasn't understood the areas where to drop the intensity and they've over-treated. Obviously you're not going to be able to tailor and target this quite as much as you would with a professional device, but the power is there, and with proper technique you can get some pretty cool results. So let's get started with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my lower neck. So power on. I will choose level 3 for this one. As I'm doing a static treatment on this one, I'm not going to be dragging it up or moving it around. It will stay in place until the 4 beeps has finished. That's 4 seconds of treatment per zone. And to use it, all you do is you push the power button. Okay. Now what we're going to do is cover the same area but in a different way. And then for the third and final go, it's just across. Okay, so that is the neck treated. So the next step is just along the jawline. So it's easier to reach under the jaw if you hold the device back to front. Start in the middle. Okay, so still on level 3, it's time to do the jawline area. Again. Okay, now I'm going to work on the next row, which is the mouth to the upper ear. Again, this one is a level 3. And then the second pass. So now I'm going to do the final row on here, which I will drop down to a level 2 because I don't want to destroy any facial fat there. Okay, so selected level 2. And then second sweep. I'm going to do the bit between the lip and the nose. Put it on level 3. This one is 3 shots. So now I've finished doing side to side. What you do is you work from bottom to top. So it's on level 3. Then level 2 for the upper one. Level 3. Level 2. Back to level 3. And then keeping it on level 3, the final part is one sweep which goes from here, here and here. And that's the cheek done. So I've got this on a level 2, and all I'm going to do is just find a position so that the plastic part is touching against the eyelid, and this ensures that the frequency isn't actually touching your eye. Line it up in the center. And that is the upper eyelid done. So the next part to work on is the forehead. So what I will be doing is I will be working from the center up and then moving along, and then I will go this way, and then it's just a diagonal way up, and then just the brow lift. So center. With the forehead, as the skin is thicker, you do 2 shots per zone. Okay, so we've done the upwards, now it's time to work from side to side. And side to side is just a single shot. And then finally, we're just going to do a zigzag. Top one first. Then crossover. Then crossover. And then repeat, so at the top. Okay, that's the forehead done. So the last part is the outer part of the brow. To get a lift going, this has 3 shots. And then just up 1, 2 shots. And that's pretty much it. So you don't wash your face for at least 30 minutes. You don't want to cool the skin down too quickly. So you'll leave the gel on for 30 minutes, then go wash your face. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And then once I've washed my face, I will be back. So it's been 30 minutes since I've done the treatment. I've washed my face just with some tepid water and left it to air dry. And this is what it looks like. Looking at myself in the mirror, I can see that the brow has definitely lifted, more so than with the RF. I've also noticed that the eye is again more open, and around the jawline it feels a little bit tighter. So what I'm going to do in my next Hifu video is I'm going to use the sweep-in motion on the opposite side of my face and see if there's any difference between the two. It's a really weird feeling when you do it because it doesn't really feel like it's doing very much at all. I mean, sometimes you don't even feel the heat. Whenever you do a triple shot, you can actually feel the heat then. You get the sensation of a mild vibration followed by quite intense heating when you do that. Otherwise, this is probably the least painful and most comfortable treatment I've actually done. Now, obviously, the initial results that you get aren't the only results. Over the following 6 to 12 weeks, the collagen production should kick in, the elastin should kick in, and there should be further improvements in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, unwanted fat around the jawline and under the chin, and hopefully in the necklines too. I've also got a giveaway coming up for one of these devices, so make sure you stay tuned. But yeah guys, what do you think? I think I may have found a contender for my radio frequency machine at last. It takes a fraction of the time and the results that I've got straight off are pretty much neck and neck. So it looks like the king of my tools is about to topple maybe. If you've got any questions about this Hifu device, the techniques that I use, or questions about anti-aging in general, feel free to drop them in the comments down below and I will try to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video or you found it useful, make sure you give it a like, and as always, if you haven't done already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Have an absolutely amazing day today, and I hope to see you in the next video. So until then, TJ over and out.